Exercise 3.3, question number 5. A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it become 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So यहाँ पर हमें गैस करना पड़ेगा. Let the numerator as x and let the denominator as y. And what is happening if it is numerator and if it is denominator, this fraction will become 9 by 11 only when we are adding to both the numerator and denominator. यानी अगर हम 2 यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं और अगर हम ये 2 यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे, then only the fraction will become this. Now it is not in the form of ax plus by plus c, so let us do cross multiplication. It will become 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Then it will become 11x plus 22. Then it will become 9y plus 18. So it will become 11x minus 9y. And if I am shifting that 22 that side, it will become minus. So our equation will become 11x minus 9y. And we have to subtract 22 minus 18, so it will become 4, but the symbol of the greater number will be minus, and this will be our equation number 1. Now we have to form equation number 2. So how we will form? So here they are saying 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Means if it is numerator and if it is denominator, if we are adding 3 on numerator as well as denominator, then our fraction will become 5 by 6, means it will become 5 upon 6. Then you have to do cross multiplication, 6 into x plus 3, and that is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So it will become 6x plus 6 3s are 18 plus 5y plus 5 3s are 15. Then what will happen? 6x minus 5y, and that will be equals to minus 18 plus 15, because we are shifting that 18 over here and we are shifting this. So it will become, now 18 minus 15, so it will become 3, and the symbol of the greater number will be minus, and that will be our equation number 2. So these are the both equation. Okay. Now here again we have to use substitution method. So we have to make one head and then we have to shift that value. So how it will look like? So let me rub the extra thing because we need more space. So let me write somewhere over here. So it will looking like this. Let me make head of 11. So it will become 11x, and that will be equals to 9y minus 4. So x will become 9y minus 4 by 11. And this is our equation number 3 that we have to substitute into. So now when we are substitute value of 3 in 2. So how it will look like? So it will look like 6 into 9y minus 4 by 11. And that is minus 5y, and that is equals to minus 3. So what will happen? So 6 into 9y minus 4, let us take LCM of it, it will become 55y, and that will be equals to minus 33. What I did, I have taken LCM over here, then one denominator we have to write. That denominator I have shifted over here, so it is in that form. Let us simplify it more. 9 6s into 6 4s minus 55y, and that is equals to minus 33. Let us do shifting over there. So 55 minus 54 to minus y will remain because symbol of the greater number will be minus. Minus 33 is keeping, we are keeping as it is, we have to shift it. 24 we have shifted, so it will become minus. Now we have to subtract 33 minus 24. So let us do subtraction, 33 minus 24. So it will become 6 plus 3 means 9 is remaining. Let us check it again that what is the remainder, because here symbol of the greater number again we have to write minus, so our y will become 9. Now this value we have to shift in equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, in any equation, but right now I will shift it in equation number 3. Okay, after shifting that what kind of x we are getting. So let us see over here. So here after substituting the value of y over here, I am getting x equals to 9 into 9 minus 4 by 11. So 9 9s are 81 minus 4 by 11. So let us do subtraction of it. So what will remain? So here 88 minus 4 if we are doing, we have to do subtraction of, take borrow, it will become 7 and this will become 10. 81, right? So it will become 11. 11 minus 4, so it will become 7 and 7. So 77 by 11 we are getting. So then we are getting x equals to 11 7s are 77. So x we are getting as 7. So this is the end of question. So our numerator will become, so यहाँ पे मैं लास्ट में लिख दूंगी, numerator is 7 and denominator is 9 because our numerator was x and denominator was y. So now this kind of answer we are getting for this because they told us find the fraction. So after getting this, the final fraction, so let me write over here that fraction will become x by y and that will be equals to 7 by 9. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. Let me read the question. Last question. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are the present ages? यानी ये पूछ क्या रहे हैं? So let us get that. Let the age of Jacob, that will be x years, and let the age of his son, that we will guess at y years, and what is happening 5 years hence यानी 5 साल बाद. So यहाँ पे हम दोनों टॉपिक लिखेंगे. One will be that 5 years hence what is happening, तो उनकी एज में क्या हो जाएगा, 5 ऐड हो जाएगा. तो 5 years hence यानी 5 साल के बाद जैकॉब्स एज हो जाएगी and his son's age हो जाएगी y plus 5. Then what is happening, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times. तो उस 5 साल बाद जैकब की एज उसके बेटे की एज से 3 गुना है, 3 टाइम्स है. So 3 हम यहाँ नहीं ऐड करेंगे, we will multiply that 3 over here. So what we are getting, let us see. So we are getting 3y plus 15. ठीक है, 3 आया multiplied over here. Then if we are simplifying, let me take this side and let me take 5 that side. So it will become minus. So this is what we are making, x minus 3y and that is equals to 10. So this is our first equation. Now let me make second equation, that is what, 5 years ago यानी 5 साल पहले. So फिर से हम यही मेथड बोलेंगे that 5 years ago what is happening. तो अभी की हमारी जो एज है, यानी अगर आज हम 40 इयर्स के हैं तो 5 साल पहले हम 35 इयर्स के होंगे ना. तो सेम थिंग हैपनिंग विद जैकब दैट अभी वो x इयर्स का है तो 5 साल पहले वो 5 यानी वट एवर हिज एज इज राइट ना, उससे 5 साल कम होगा. तो इसीलिए फिर से हम गैस करेंगे दैट जैकब्स एज विल बिकम और वॉज x minus 5 and his son's age will become y minus 5. Then when we are comparing it, what will happen, let us see. So उन्होंने बोला that 5 years ago Jacob age was 7 times that of his son, यानी जैकब की एज 7 गुना की उसके बेटे से. But to make this equation equal, we are not multiplying 7 over here, we have to multiply 7 that side. So it will become x minus 5, then it will become 7y and this will become 7 5s are 35. Let us do shifting. So it will become x minus 7y and that will become minus 35 plus 5, so it will become x minus 7y and minus 30, and this will be our equation number 2. Now we have to use substitution method. So what we will do, we will make head of it and let me make equation 3 over here, so it will become x 10 plus 3y, and this is our equation number 3. So substitute value of equation 3 into, so what will happen, so यहाँ पे x minus 7y is equal to minus 30 है, तो हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे x की जगह पे 10 plus 3y minus 7y and that is equal to minus 30. Let us take number that side, so it will become 3y minus 7y minus 30 minus 10. Now 7 में से 3 minus होंगे, so it will become 4y, but the symbol of the greater number that is minus will become plus, so it will become 40 because 30 plus 10 will become 40, but again the symbol of the greater number that is minus we will cut out, so it will become y is equal to 40 by 4, then we have to reduce it, so y will become 10. So here we got the value of y, there we have to substitute in any equation, but I will substitute value of y in equation 3. So how it will look like? So our equation 3 is in this form. Let me write x is equal to 10 plus 3y. So x I am keeping as it is plus 3 into y we got as 10, so it will become 10 and 3 10s are 30. So right now Jacob is of age of 40, यानी अभी जैकब की एज, तो यहाँ पे पूछा है ना व्हाट आर दी प्रेजेंट एज, तो हमें यहाँ स्टेटमेंट के फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा दैट प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ, या तो यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ जैकब इज 40 years and his son's age that will become 10 years. So this is the end of this kind of question. I hope you understood how to form the equation and how to solve using substitution method. If they have mentioned that you have to use substitution method, then only you have to use substitution method. The process, this is the introduction of elimination method. कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. Again they are giving you two equation only and you have to use elimination method. Means what you have to do, you have to make head same. So अगर यहाँ पे ये head same है, जैसे कि ये 5 है और ये 5 है, तो तुमको प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत नहीं, you just have to change the sign. Then what will happen? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये 5 प्लस है और एक माइनस है, तो it will cut out. अभी हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, यानी -2 plus 1, ठीक है, एंड इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, तो x तो एज इट इज रहेगा, -2 में से 1 जाएगा, यानी 1 बचा, एंड द सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर विल बी माइनस, यानी यहाँ पे इवेंचुअली क्या बच रहा है, -x. And if you are subtracting 15 minus 10, so 5 will remain, but the symbol of the greater number that is changed, now it is minus, so we have to minus कट हो जाएगा और x का वैल्यू मिल गया, we got x as 5. So this is the very simple method कि यहीं पे हमें x equals to क्या मिल गया है, 5. But the most important thing is now again we have to substitute this value in one or equation number 2, that is our wish. So यहाँ पे अभी मैंने symbol change किया है, तो I will not keep because we have to keep this value in original equation. So I will keep value of x in equation 1. And what is my original equation 1? So it is in this form. Let me keep 5 over there on the place of x. So what I am getting? So I am getting 5y is equals to 10 minus 5. So 5y is equals to 10 minus 5 will become 5 and y is equals to 5 by 5. ये 5 मल्टीप्लाई में है, ये नीचे जाएगा, so ये कट होगा, so y will become 1 and this is how we can find the value of y in very easy form. So this was the concept when this thing is given same, we just have to change the sign. अब मैं ऐसा एग्जांपल लूँगी जिसमें ये सेम नहीं है, तो let's see there what will happen. So here I have taken two equations. Let us begin the process. What we will do? या तो हम x को सेम बना सकते हैं या हमें y को सेम बनाना है. So what I means to say, if you want to make x same, what we have to do, हमको ये पूरे इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. पड़ेगा बिकॉज दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी कॉमन फैक्टर और ये पूरे इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. देन व्हाट विल हैपन, it will become 6x and it will become 3y and that will become 30 and this will become 3 2s are 6x and that will become 6 2s are 12y and that will become 3 2s are 6. Then we will change the sign. So what will happen, 12 minus 3, so it will become 9 and symbol of the greater number will be minus. 60 minus 30 will become 30 and the symbol will become minus. Minus minus will cut, y will become 30 by 9. Let us reduce it. 3 3s are 9 and here 3 10s are 30. 3 3 will cancel out, y is equal to 10 by 3. Now this value we have to substitute in our original equation. या तो हम 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करें या तो 2 में, दोनों का आंसर एक ही होगा. So let us substitute. So substitute value of y in equation 1. So it is looking like 2x original equation, not this one. So we are keeping in original equation. On the place of y we have to write minus 10 by 3 and that is equals to 10. So it will become 2x equals to 10 plus, because I have shifted this thing, whole that thing that side. Now here we will take LCM and 3 10s are 30 plus 10 by 3. So it will become 2x 40 by 3 because यहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है और वो डिवाइड में है. Let us take that to that side, so it will become, now I have to reduce it